Meaning of Ginger Rogers.
Ginger Rogers.
Ginger Rogers.
Ginger Rogers.
Ginger Rogers. Ginger Rogers was an American actress and dancer who was best known for her iconic on-screen partnership with Fred Astaire during the golden age of Hollywood. Together, they starred in 10 films, including Top Hat and Swing Time, and set the standard for dance on film. Rogers also had a successful solo career, earning an Academy Award for her dramatic performance in 1940's Kitty Foyle. Overall, Ginger Rogers was a talented performer who left a lasting impact on the entertainment industry and remains a beloved figure in pop culture.